Here is your luxury listing of the week. Welcome to Luxury Living in Chicago. We are at 6030 North Sheridan Avenue, Unit 2201. This penthouse is truly unique. With breathtaking east, south, and west exposures, this home offers stunning views of the city and the beaches that I know you're gonna be of attention. As you enter, the foyer greets you with soaring 11-foot ceilings and an abundance of natural light all over through the room and huge windows. This condo has nearly 4,000 square foot of penthouse space with 2,700 square feet of living space and 1,200 outside in the terrace, and its masterpiece of design and comfort. Imagine walking on these beautiful hardwood floors that stretch over 50 feet across the home. And the living space is a testament to the mid-century modern elegance with original 1960 buildings and a striking solid stone wood-burning fireplace. This versatile area is perfect for creating multiple seatings, arrangements, or hosting a large gathering. Entertainment with easy in the dining space that comfortably seats up to 12. Adjacent to the family room is a wet bar completely with a wine fridge, ideal for those who love to host. But the eating kitchen is a chef's dream, featuring stainless steel appliances, a stove top with a huge view of all the views to the city, and a fridge that plays music. Imagine doing the dishes and seeing the sailboats at a distance, or prepping your meals with that oven that's perfect for feasting. Now, the West Wing houses the bedrooms, each with its own full bathroom. The primary suite is a heaven, accommodating a king-size set bed and featuring 4 large closets, a dressing room, and a spa-like a bath with a dual vanity, spa tub, private toilet, and a walk-in shower. Yep. And the second suite offers a walk-in closet with alpha organization and soaking tub as well, while the third bedroom boasts a private terrace with the lake and the city views. So convenience is the key with an in-unit laundry room and pantry. The cedar-clad sunroom, wow. Previously a hot tub, hangout offers endlessly possibilities for your imagination. Step through the new French doors to the crowding jewel of this penthouse. The 1,200-foot private terrace is the best. Here you can enjoy unobstructed views to the beach, and you can see everything all the way to Navy Pier. Imagine grilling, entertaining people, or simply just chilling and watching the fireworks every Wednesday and Saturday from this private balcony. Every detail has been very good. Upgraded from the kitchen and the bar faucet to the carpet, roller shades, central AC units, and much more. This home comes with a seller provided home warranty for a peace of mind. So the attached garage accommodates 2 cars and on-site gym, which features new equipment. So plus, enjoy the convenience of the door staff, engineers, packaging, receiving, and additional the storage. Located half a block from the property, you got the beach, the parks. The penthouse is short distance from Whole Foods, Aldi, the Red Line, and Lakeshore Drive. And whether you're an investor or looking to luxury live in a place like this home, you can rent it out if you're an investor. So don't miss your chance to experience this best of Chicago living luxury place. Reach out to me today to see if you want a private tour or showing, and my number is 773-550-4846. I would love to give you more information. Taxes are extremely shocking low. HOA are low as well.